Then we got logical operations, and or not. So let's say that we have two values, a and b. You can also think of them like variables. If a is equal to 0, and you can think of 0 like false, and b is 0, meaning false, then a and b, false and false, will equal false. If you do false equals true, so one denotes true, then again we are false. True and false equals false. The only way an AND operation ends up with true is that both values are true. The same does not happen for OR. It's like true or false equals true. False or true equals true. True and true equals true, but false or false equals false. And also we got the NOT operator, which turns everything upside down. Not false equals true. Not true equals false. So, okay, maybe you do not understand what I'm talking about, so let's check down the code. So let's say that A is true, B is false. What A and B will be from the things I've taught you? It will be false. However, what needs to happen for A and B to be true? For this one to be true? Very simple. You want B to be true. So if you go here and write B equals true, then A and B will equals true. For AND to be true, you need both values to be true. Now let's try A or B. It will be of course true because you've got two true values. But if I say A equals false, B equals false, then A or B will be false because both of these values are false. However, if one of these or both of these are true, then A or B will be true. Let's check it out. Okay, so A equals false, B equals true, then A or B will be true. And then you can use not A. So not A will be true because here it was false. So not false equals true. Not B will be false because the value of B will be true here. So not B will be false. Okay, so we are done also with the logical operators. You see how much progress we have done in only 20 minutes? It's incredible.